What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram. Too many attempts. Please try again. Later error that you may be getting on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing to do is click into the app, go to app info. In here, go to storage and cache and do clear cache and also clear storage. This might sign you out, so just an FYI. The next thing to do is go to mobile data usage and do unrestricted mobile data usage. Turn that feature on. And then the next thing to do is under here, press force stop and basically force stop the app. This kind of does like a hard reset to the app itself. And also archive and pretty much reinstall this app. This is like a soft uninstall that it does on the app, and then it kind of reinstalls it back. Again, a lot of these things might sign you out, so you might need to log back in. But obviously you might not even be able to do that because of the error that you're getting. The next thing you need to do is come into network and internet, and in this section over here, go into where it says private DNS and click the private DNS provider hostname section, and in here do dns.google and press save. Once you do this, basically you'll have that DNS specifically set up, which usually bypasses a lot of these issues that you may be getting, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please don't channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Motorola's out. Peace.